Gosiremia nigo bwabotukire gochia saboroki b'echisukuru nabo igo honde bwensi oyo bwatenaro yo gogosari chigosori chia korondo gosepeting buna chinchira chio kwenyorera endagera ya kiralitiko aniga hakwanirwe no mobiso bw'echisemi kurwa sezoni ya magwagwa Alfred Nyasani chingaki chigikaro n'abarimu b'echisukuru cy'oboroso ya Magonga heye gotoka imeye ward ya Kerenyo oyo hotebire buna abarimu abange iga nibo yabo yabairike gusirira ase korondo orikito fadigadi kisemba no roboti rwa senchira yobwikira
Chingakechi aborokiwa na boigo aborokia korwa chiskuru aho bari asumutimoko omoke asitamu intangani nigo korwa siskuru yoboroso ya Magonga eyo egotoka imeye ward ya Ekerenyo ebunge ya North Mugirango ritkoria rero banyorire amaigerio igoro yenchira enkia babwenerete gotumeka enengo ekero banyorire
ago chago itoga iga gangenene noko Let abarimu amo na Bible whereby they are represented by the Board of Management Johnson Oirega as mono okosomi abarimu baito on financial management and CPE, that's competency based education as amasomo takonyara kogenderera onye bomombo iyo
nonye nabo nigo aborokia babire bagukurirwa buna beatarane kurwase chigosori chimbe cha petting echo endake chikwirira enibo yabo enyinge gosira bosa
egente kigekora ku gambling kyagarire mechando yabeire abarimu baito basiriri chibese chinyinge na abandi basiriri amagemabo asengencho yogoswa ase bintu bunebye bikebike chinja shortcut yokonyora chibese bwenereti so ekire kitware kwa manga gambling yaretire muchando monene abarimu baito basiriri amagemabo asengencho balusiri basiriri enibo yabo eribaro chokobeka sama tumisi amaya na kero kende yagera ekero chibese chiababurire chiasoira sinjira buneyo mbagwekeranya ne school omuntu manya konyabona otwara mental health yamanya gocha mental illness yacha magwase birengere bya musumbu ko mwarimu nyoto otire birengere ryo bibuko muchanda chibese bachiasire kabireye na kibanongo chagakora agigocha kwa ndi school agafira akore ngaki kaburire abasemi asaba ari mu baitomborianga tigato tumeke ngeri tokonyora yobware munenke kurende nengiya tuyitumika sichinjira chingiya tutige namangana ya korondo tego tokonye gotorasirie nibe nyinge
nonye nabo nigo barire eira buna maega ya maigerio ayo nigo amachibu amaya araje kogenderera kwenekiwa asiskuru eyo asikire batebire nigo nonye naborokia aboigo aborokiwa baraje konyora chinza chisaine chosoma.
This is one of my schools that has decided to come here. The school by name is Magonga Comprehensive School. Hii shule iliperform vizuri sana. Head teacher kuangalia akaona walimu vile wamejitahidi na wameleta haya matokeo, watch at least I motivated them in one way or the other. But now they are very happy. Even now, even if I want to transfer them to other schools, they are not even ready. They want to be at this school. And that's why they have promised me as their zonal officer that they are going to double their efforts so that at least this year the performance will at least go higher than last year.
Hinko reporter Getembe Kroiga Ikonge North Mugirango County ya Nyamira Njefatigad Hisemba.